Samsung Galaxy's Big One UI 7 update. Here's every device getting it, plus carrier details you need to know. Get ready, Galaxy fans. Samsung's biggest update yet is finally here. One UI 7, built on Android 15, is rolling out across the US, and it's bringing a fresh new look, smarter AI features, and smoother performance. But not everyone's getting it at the same time. It all depends on your device, your carrier, and whether you bought your phone unlocked. Samsung kicked off the global release in South Korea on April 7, 2025, and the US rollout started just a few days later on April 10th. It's a phased rollout, meaning some phones and carriers get it first, while others have to wait a little longer. Here's a full breakdown of every Galaxy device confirmed to get One UI 7 in the US, plus which carriers are on board and which ones are lagging behind. Flagship phones, April 2025. These were the first devices to get the stable One UI 7 update in the US starting April 10. Galaxy S24, S24 Plus, S24 Ultra. Status: stable update rolled out April 10 for both locked and unlocked models. Carriers: Verizon and T-Mobile, update available. AT&T, facing delays, some users still waiting as of today. Unlocked models: beta testers got it first, followed shortly by everyone else. Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Flip 6, update went live on April 10th. Carriers: Verizon and T-Mobile, available. AT&T, still pending. Unlocked models, available since launch day. Galaxy S23, S23 Plus, S23 Ultra. Status: update started in South Korea on April 22nd and hit the US on April 25th. Carriers: Verizon, update available. T-Mobile and AT&T, not yet available. Unlocked models, not yet available. Galaxy Tab S10 and S9 series. Status: One UI 7 update now live for these tablets in the US. Hashed older flagships, coming May 2025. These older high-end devices are expected to get One UI 7 in May. Galaxy S24 FE, Galaxy S22, S22 Plus, S22 Ultra, Galaxy Z Fold 4, Z Flip 4, Galaxy Z Fold 3, Z Flip 3, Galaxy S21, S21 Plus, S21 Ultra. Mid-range and budget devices, coming June 2025. Samsung plans to push the update to more affordable models around June. Galaxy A55, A35, A25, A24, A16, Galaxy A54, A34, A33, Galaxy M14, 14, Galaxy Tab S9 FE, S9 FE Plus, Tab A9, A9 Plus. How to check for the One UI 7 Update 1. Open Settings. 2. Go to Software Update. 3. Tap Download and Install. 4. If it's ready, follow the prompts. Make sure you're on Wi-Fi and your phone is at least 50% charged. Pro tips: always back up your phone before updating, just in case. Updates roll out in waves, so don't panic if it doesn't show up right away, especially if you're with AT&T. For the latest info, check Samsung's official channels or the Samsung Members app. In short, Samsung's One UI 7 rollout in the US is heating up. Galaxy S24 series, Z Fold 6, and Z Flip 6 owners are already enjoying it, with Verizon and T-Mobile leading the way. AT&T users might need a little more patience. Older flagship phones are next up in May, and mid-range devices will follow in June. Stay tuned and keep checking for that update.